What new Putty Cat? What new Putty Cat? Such a silly Putty Cat. Uh-oh. I wonder what that Putty Cat is up to.
Let's see. Pies. Ah, yes. Here's a good one. A recipe for Tweety pie. Okay. I gotta catch me a Tweety bird.
Ooh, I thought I saw a Putty Cat.
You bet you saw a Putty Cat.
I did see a Putty Cat. My name is Tweety.
Silvester's the name, and Pussycat's the game.
Ooh, I thought I saw a Putty Cat.
You did saw a Putty Cat. I'll catch you, Tweety.
You're too slow, Putty Cat.
Ooh, suffering succotash. Yes, it is my next meal, and my old pal, Tweety.
Hey, Putty Cat, wouldn't you like a nice sandwich instead?
Silvester's the name. Greetings and salutations.
You don't want to eat skinny little me.
Who, me?